Okay everybody, today it's another do-it-yourself day. We're going to try and install the Pro 6 LED singles, the two lights from KC that I bought at the expo. Just going to use the switch that comes with it now. I'm going to wire it in through, hopefully through the firewall, get that one switch somewhere hidden but easily accessible, and just wire it up with the lights today, and then we'll work on getting a pod of some kind so that we can wire any other lights to it, including these. I will do that later. But as we all have seen in the past, not the greatest do-it-yourselfer, but I'm going to give it a shot, so stay tuned. Wish me luck. Alright, first thing we're going to do is find out what's in the box. I've already opened it, and we'll go from there after we get these mounted. So it comes with the two KC Pro 6 LED lights with the covers. Beautiful lights, absolutely beautiful lights. There, and another one. Beautiful, and then it comes with the full wiring harness with a switch. Oops, it comes with a sticker. Nice. Nice. We'll be figuring that out. And the last thing, simple wiring directions, non-specific, just some wiring, what plug goes where kind of stuff, so we can try and figure that out. Anyway, it should be interesting. Stay tuned. Let's see what we can figure out. All right. Originally, I wanted to keep the bar. Put the lights back here. That's just not going to work. You have to go on and off. I'm going to have to remove this. I think instead of out here like this, I think I'll mount them right here. Yeah? No? I think that looks pretty good. It could be very functional. This little rubber, it's not rubber, it's plastic with a rubber edge, right? And it is located inside the engine compartment. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe you can see it right there. And this just kind of pops in and twists in. And that's going to be where I push the wires through. I'll have to drill a small hole maybe. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out, I promise. Comes in through the engine compartment firewall. And now we got our wires into the cabin. I'm just going to zip tie them up. I'll figure out where to do that. I'll probably just mount the switch somewhere right here. Clean, can't really see any markings. I think that'll do. That little grommet has to go around the edge a little better, but not too bad. I think you can see where the wire comes through the firewall there and is up and around here, and I'm zip tying it here and here. I'll zip tie it over there and there, plug it into the battery, then run the wires down the front. Probably the same route I took with the winch. Okay, zip tied here all the way across, tied into the existing wire holders, wires to the battery, and this leads down, and then hook up the battery once this gets ran down the same route that I took for the winch cables, which should end up getting me to here, and then I can come down and around inside the bumper. Last thing to do is hook up to the battery, mount the lights, plug the lights in, test the system. Black wire to negative, wire to positive. Sorry. Let's see if it works. It works. Yes. All right, successful day. Day's almost over, in fact. All right, everybody, we did it. No follies at all. I did lose the directions for the wiring, so I had to watch a couple KC light YouTube videos to make sure I was getting all the things plugged in the right places. But ultimately, we were successful. I can't believe it. I'm becoming a do-it-yourself guy, sort of. But anyway, lights are on. They're bright, as you can see. And it was a successful day. It took about 4 hours, 4.5 hours. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back for some more adventures real soon, so stay tuned. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for future videos. We'll see you next time, and remember, you got to get out there and adventure.